Energy flows through the ocean in turbulent motion. The velocity of water creates its own ecosystems. Biological processes have learned to evolve amongst the push and pull of these cyclical forces. Marine plants show a strength in their flexibility and grace in their adaptations. Here in the Bosque de Kelp, or kelp forest in Isla San Benito, we can see the power of nature uniting physics with biology to create a metabolic dance that thrives in perpetual stirring. It makes us wonder if the sea itself is the world's circulatory system, transporting nutrients and waste in a rhythm to sustain life. Scientists reveal intricate theories into these microhabitats and how these benthic plants utilize their physiology in what looks to be a violent whirlpool. Biomechanics of seaweed structure, such as the wide flapping blades of laminaria or macrocystis, actually increases photosynthetic rates by catching the strong current and making the plant flap more. The effective current on photosynthetic rate was through the change in the velocity gradient on the blade's surface. In high energy sites, the algae have narrow, thicker blades and solid stipes, which are an adaptation to withstanding drag. The specialized morphologies of different seaweeds and seagrass has a relationship and an influence on the water forces in its environment. Internal waves pass through the kelp forests and helps to reduce the longshore currents. The symphony of the seagrasses and kelp work from micro to macro, catching invertebrates on the swift ride, and creating a safe haven for creatures and chemical processes. We need these seagrass beds and kelp forests to work their magic in containing carbon to mitigate global climate change. The movement is life itself.